So it will usually be the oldest, biggest female.
And who is?
Within that, I think it might be that one back there.
How do you know?
The biggest one.
Yeah, it's most of the time it's the biggest one, or the oldest female that's got a lot of experience in leading the herd, and she basically decides where they go. Only when the male gets into must will he start following these breeding herds, trying to mate with them. He's charging us. Yeah, they tend to do that very early in life. They like to charge the vehicles because from early on in life they'll see what they can accomplish, and they know they've got a very big mother, so nothing's going to do anything to them.
Yeah, a lot of them is coming.
Still lots and lots.
They will destroy them.
Oh my god.
Okay, het voor wem? Okay, copy that. I'll let them know this particular bring with focus. Thanks.
Alright, okay, thanks man. This is a very big herd. I mean, sometimes you get these herds up to into the 50 individuals within these herds.
But are only females and...
It's mostly females, young males, and then the babies as well.
And
But
when a female needs to mate, would they choose a male from the herd or
a male will come from the outside. And what he usually does, he shows his dominance when he comes into that. So he will chase all the young males around, just displaying his dominance. Sometimes he might even push a big tree over just to impress the females. And whichever females are in estrus will be mating with that male. So it's not just the matriarch that mates, but all the sexually matured females within the herd.
And the young males are chased away from the herd?
Yeah, usually at the age between 12 and 15 years old, where they will then usually seek out another male.
And do they group?
Yeah, you will group with other males, yes. They form these little bachelor groups. And,
having fun
yeah.
all the time. Okay, like
And who makes the decision to chase them away, the matriarch?
which way they go.
No, who decides now it's time that you are off the herd?
It's usually the matriarch that will make that decision.
One is chasing the other.
If they leave and they come back, they can choose a woman from the same herd.
10-15 minutes.
C'est lui qui chargeait tout à l'heure. Oh, there is a male.
Stand.
I think it's a male.
I think so. He has 5 legs.
Why not?
5 legs, yes.
My god. Poor female.
Are you jealous?
Hallo.
A little bit.
Elefantsco.
My God.
They are fighting, look.
Die meisten Leute in
They are young. They just play around.
She doesn't give a damn.
She just ran away.
Even though the males leave the herd, sometimes you do find, even if the males are not a must, you find all the males close to the herd. These males are called the scories males, or satellite males, and they follow the breeding herds around. They've got a pretty hard time accepting that they're not part of the herd anymore. And they're still early of age, so they will
So,
follow
for
these
example,
herds around.
there's a male male is sexually mature for sure, right? He's
They
not
do
allowed
get
to.
sexually matured at the age of about 15 years old, but due to so many dominant males in the area, they only mate really till 35 years old. So basically they're all like 40-year-old virgins, pretty much, because there's so many other dominant males, bigger males in the area.
But do they become gay? Or
Sorry?
they become gay at some point or no?
I don't think so, no.
Like the penguin.
Check this baby.